friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video which is very exciting for me. This is an unboxing video of my new phone which I got on first day of my quarantine. So let's get started and unbox my new phone. So guys, that's it. I hope you like this video, and I'm sure my stay in quarantine is going to be amazing because I got my phone on very first day. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe with your friends. So I'm gonna enjoy the weather with my new phone. See you till next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.